today. With measured steps towards throne, we can see the picture of all folks who is special. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give him a warm applause. Siguro dito na uso ang hinahan ng mga carpet. Akala ko ang carpet, lumilipad na.
Yun yan.
Entrance of Her Royal Highness, Second Princess, in the person of Diana Lynn P. Melera.
Kalokohan. Kung naman lang ka nakikikita, dapat naipisa lang mo ng gamitan eh.
Tanggal lagay, tanggal lagay. Princess Diana is the loving daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Roldan G. Melera, the former Andrilyn bride. She is a grade 1 pupil under the advisory of teacher Linda Amor Onagaro. In her elegant dress, Princess Diana is a picture of a true Filipina. She is meek, obedient, and very appreciative.
Tawag mo eh.
She is devoted to her title. She attends to her throne with confidence and power to all. Ladies and gentlemen,